Hello friends, this is Krish here and I'm actually talking to you at early morning India time. This is probably maybe around 2:50 a.m. This is about 10 minutes to 3 a.m. So I'm running a query right now, which is I'm building a integrated forecasting and inventory replenishment tool for one of my client. And I'm working almost since last 3 to 4 months on this project. And the most interesting part is that I'm working almost 19 hours per day to develop this product. This will be a very interesting product, and it's not only for one client. We can actually help many clients for using this product. And this product is an automated tool using machine learning capabilities. And you don't need to use a very high programming language. We are not using Python. We're using a simple Excel tool and some ETL tools to develop this machine learning enabled automated forecasting and inventory management tool. So guys, be ready. We are going to launch this product for our current client and also for the future clients. So this is my 4th month I'm working on this project. 4th month. I'm not sleeping the whole night. So I sleep only 4 to 5 hours in a day, and then the whole day I am just working. So the supply chain fraternity, be ready for this product. We are going to come to you, and maybe we'll be taking this product to entire globe, and we'll be further enhancing this product. At the moment we are not. At the moment, it's a great product, but the most important thing is the cost of the product. Nobody's selling the product which is having an automation capabilities, machine learning capabilities, and which can integrate your entire process, forecasting and inventory management process in just 5-10 minutes. That's the most important thing. So guys, be tuned with us. We will be working on this. We are working on this project, and we'll be sharing this to you. Coming to the entire world with this product, and we'll launch this. Thank you very much.